Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the real and fake news detection project using machine learning. So let's write python space app.py, then model will load and it will generate one URL. So we have to copy that particular URL and paste in any browser, and it is completely web-based project. So let's type that URL, then it will open the web page, news analysis. If you click on the home or about us button, then it won't open that particular page because first user have to register that page and then log in with that credential. So I have already registered. Now let's click on the login and log in with the same credential. Then click on login button. Then it will open the home page where it will show the how it works, and it also works on the Hindi English language and dataset page. If you click on dataset, then it will open the Kaggle website. Okay, and let's copy any news and paste in project, and then click on the predict button. So it predict that prediction is a fake. It will show Donald Trump stands out embarrassing and predicted as fake. Let's click on generate text. Then it will generate the text. After that, click on the predict button. Then it will show the prediction is real. Okay, let's click on Hindi. You can type the Hindi language as well. Identify the prediction news is fake or real. Let's click on dataset. Then it will open the Hindi dataset news. Let's copy that particular news. Open in Google Sheets so that you can copy the news. Let's copy that particular news. Point number 1. Let's copy and paste in the project and then click on the predict button. So it predict that prediction is fake. It will show the original text, pre-processed text, and transform and predict. And prediction is fake. Let's click on generate text. Then click on predict button. So it will predict the fake news. Again click on generate text. Then click on predict button. So it predicts fake. Let's click on logout button and go to project folder. Now this will be the model folder and this will be the notebook folder where you can see the training code of fake news prediction project. Let's open the code. Dataset and EDA. Dataset and EDA. We are reading the fake news.csv file. Let's scroll down. This will be the complete code. Let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.